Good morning. Good morning, people of the Philippines, people of the world, and the universe. Maaga kami mga kamars. 4:30. Graduation ni Christian. Pero, nandyan pa tulog. Parang ako ang mag-graduate. Kasi naka-ready na. Ready na. Yun ang ano niya, ang tuga. Graduate na si Christian, grade senior high. Tulog pa, bumalik pagtulog kasi sumakit yung tiyan niya kanina, mga alas 3. Gumising na yun kanina, alas 3. Tapos sumuka. Cremil S. Kung ano nang naandiha, loperamide with. Pero si Sip-Sip nakaligo na. Diyan. Toothbrush na. Ako ang tapos na. Paano kaya yun? Maaga kasi doon sa FSU gym. Doon ang venue ng graduation nila. 6 o'clock daw. So mga 5 nandoon daw. Pero sabi namin, guys, papunta na kami guys. Alas 5, 5:10. Anaga ng dami ng ano ngayon. Dami ng estudyante doon. At maliwanag na. Yan ang araw. Buti na lang okay ng tiyan ni Christian. Yan. Nakadrive na. Ang alas 4 naging alas 5 na. Plano namin kagabi alas 4 doon na kami sa Orius Gym. Dito ako nagja-jogging noon. Diyan. Balik naman ako mag-jogging. Ay, saan ikalot dyan? Uy. Ito gandahan ko. Ay, white ka na oh. Itaw. Pero pila man na? 100. Huy, hala guys. Ay, sa pa. Dili, 100 na. Asing pintara daw na, wait. Nga, 100. Patay. Sa pa.
Elasticity of demand. High demand, high price.
Patudak sa tripod. Iya naman daw.
Gani. Grabe guys, 100. Nagtulog 50. Busy ako ka. 100. Ay, pag nagbuhat na lang ko, wala man yung abot na 100. Hindi, ang sa una ninyo napagyan ko.
Nadi ako.
Sa una sa mag-graduate niyo. Dami pag-ipusan naman to. Lalaki, babae.
Simba man jud. Ay, sorry.
Hindi, kaya imong necktie sa Tita Nining. Guys, nahanap namin si Tita Nining kasi yung ano ni Christian, necktie, nandoon pa sa kanya. Plaster na. Ha? Ay, dito daw puno ta. pang Christian. Grabe guys. Nagkagubot. Asa naman si Tita Nining? Nadaw sa kuan. Tita Nining.
Napo dito ahon.
Oh, paso ang duha. Paso na mi. Asa mas building?
Ikaw na lang.
Ah,
Ikaw na lang sa taas.
aman.
Lots forward to endless opportunities and personal growth. Graduation symbolizes not only the end of an academic journey, but also the beginning of new challenges and personal growth. As we all gather here, we celebrate the knowledge, resilience, and the determination that have brought each graduate to this remarkable milestone. Today is the 8th graduation rites of the Accountancy, Business and Management strand, and the Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics strand of Agusan National High School for the academic year 2024-2025 with the theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas. Ladies and gentlemen, the candidates for graduation. May I request everyone to please rise and remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by Crystal Sheen S. Mantilia with highest honors, ABM Strand, and this will be followed by a prayer to be led by Christine O. Binyas with highest honors, STEM Strand.
My morning greetings to one and all. Today marks as one of the happiest and most fulfilling day of our lives. We gather to celebrate our quick wins and humble achievements in our high school lives and look how time really flies. Since day one from grade 7, we are finally here for our graduation day. And we made it. We've navigated through ups and downs of high school, pushed through challenges, but a testament to our resilience, creativity, and determination. To the graduating class of 2025, I say congratulations. We did it. We've grown into capable and compassionate and innovative individuals, ready to take on the world. Our time at the Busan National High School has been a transformative journey, shaping us into the best versions of ourselves. This
and 244 females. A total of 370 learners. From the science, technology, engineering, and mathematics strand, 394 males and 482 females. A total of 876 learners, and with a grand total of 1,246 learners for the school year 2024-2025. I hereby declare you graduates of the Senior High School of Agusan National High School for school year 2024-2025. On this certain, congratulations. Bordillo Smart Question A with high honors, outstanding performance in work immersion. Cabatanya Rafael John R. Kabunan Alex Dave with honors, outstanding performance in work immersion. Fortune Christopher Nash M. Outstanding performance in work.
Wow. I am overwhelmed. I don't know any one of you in particular, but it's like watching a game show. I am rooting for all of you to succeed in life. Congratulations. Now, I'm looking at the faces of the parents towards the back. They look tired. They're here to support, and we're here to support our loved ones. 1, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. I don't know why I was invited here. In my way, I was just minding my own business in Chicago, just flying. I fully understand your struggles. But just because I was born as an upper middle class doesn't mean that I do not have my own struggles. After all, we are all individuals. So we have our own individual struggles, and we have our own individual pathway to success. So why listen to me? Thank you.
Wala, pila na ka-thousand
Okay,
na.
second batch.
Second batch.
Here's your lesson number 2.
Listen, wala na. Wala na. Wala na.
This is gonna be hard.
Question na pa.
Everybody listen up. Guys, quiet. Okay, lesson number 2.
Natuwa si Ino.
Lesson number 2 is life is full of disappointments.
Disappointed na sila.
So lesson number 1, If you want something, go and get it. For the students here in front, lesson number 2, life is full of disappointments. So,
Wala.
thank you for everybody who went up stage. You can go back to your seats now.
Wala. Kabibo. Oh, listen. Ikaw
Thank
naman.
you everybody for the volunteers.
Ang una, Ged. Ang una, Ged. Ay, kuan.
So, lesson number 2, life is full of disappointments. So, I'm sorry. Just had to leave out. No? Okay. Thank you. Third batch, let's take another photo.
Ang.
Ito si Christian.
Oh? Aman. Nasa front. Ayun na. Si Kristen. Nahuhulak ko ito. Hidagan. Nakagap na naman.
Okay.
Naan ko.
So, show of hands. Raise your hand if
Yan,
you've been
nalagay
up here on
sila.
stage already before.
Sakit na tiyan.
1. Kung nakasaka na mo dire, kanina, raise your hand. Ang wala. Nakasaka ka kanina? Lesson number 3
Ang baguto.
is
Lagi mo, hindi pa.
perseverance and timing.
First. Hangin ko katulo.
Do not trust anybody but yourself. And so, let's see.
Naglibog na siya.
Everybody, thank you.
Go back. Go back. Go back to your
You
seat.
can go back to your seat.
Lagi. And go back ka na lagi. Si Christian ko di ganun na ako. Hindi na. Gusto mo. Tay, picture. Ah, picture na lang si Christian. Picture na lang si Christian. May na lang.
Kamong tulog?
Sabi na Christian.
May balik sa
Ano sa daw? Silang tulong? Ma?
Lesson number 4, don't give up easily.
Si Chris. Sila mana. Sila tulong. Pero nga ito sa hawi ang kaya ba nakasarpol mo sa
Sa kailan. So, as soon as I said, so he asked me a question.
The exit of colors. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The class of 2025. Again, congratulations to all the graduates. Right now, we would like.
Guys, pauwi na. Ay, Diyos ko. Alak, ano yun? Kala, hindi kami naka-picture doon sa ano. Grabe, sobrang tao. Hindi ano ba yan? Makapag-picture doon. Sila Tita Nining. Hindi ko na alam saan na. Hindi na kami nagkita. Hay, ang init! Diyos ko, Lord. Katyan. Anong katyan? Wala. Grabe yung tao. Walang chance na mag-picture doon. Doon lang kami nag-picture sa labas. Ang background, pangit ang background. Walang background sa ano. Ay, ang init. Grabe. 11. Ay, hapit na alas 12. Ay pa. Pansa, kainit. Gulay. Oh! Basta so. Dito talayo. Hindi maabot sa.
Ano yung last?
Kakwarta, hinoong ka. Kwartahan to ba si Kuan?
Captain ba?
Kuan, yung engineer, ECA. Tapos captain, niya to ako sa US nagtrabaho. Primero, Australia.
Kasi batch na niya.
2006 man daw to. Sila ni Isa itong gisakitan tiyan. Gisakitan og tiyan nga tuwa. Tuwa man sa stage. Nakakwarta ni noon. Robinson ako ni guys. Gani ay isa pa. Kay man makasakit sa ulo. Pauwi na kami. Kami na lang na Christian. Inatid namin si Sit sa hospital. Duty pa niya. Na late na yun eh. Hanap kami ng makainan kasi gutom na. Ang ending, McDo.